visiting a farm. Would you like to come with me? We can learn about farm animals. Quack, quack, can you find the duck? Duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. Can you help me find the cow? Cow. C-O-W. Cow. Can you help me find the dog? Dog. D-O-G. Dog. Can you help me find the horse? Horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Can you help me find the pig? P-I-G. Pig. Can you help me find the sheep? Sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. Can you help me find the rabbit? Rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Can you guess this animal? It's a turkey. Turkey. T-U-R-K-E-Y. Turkey. Do you like animals? Let's find some wild animals. Tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. Lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. Do you see the kangaroo? Do you see the panda? Hi, Mr. Elephant. Do you see the brown bear? Giraffe. G-I-R-A-F-F-E. Giraffe. Let's play a game. Can you guess the farm animal? I can give you a hint. The animal likes grass. Did you say a cow? Good job. I can give you a hint. The animal lays eggs. Did you say a hen? Good job. Can you guess this animal? Did you say sheep? Good job. Can you guess this animal? Here's a hint, it runs fast. Yay! You guessed a horse, right? Good job. Good job.